Ready to level up your retirement savings? You know about IRAs, and you probably know about certificates of deposit, but have you considered combining them for the ultimate savings powerhouse? Today, we're talking about Patriot Bank's IRA CDs, a powerful tool for growing your retirement fund with stability and predictable returns. So, what exactly is an IRA CD? It's a certificate of deposit that's held within an individual retirement account. This means you get the best of both worlds, the fixed rate, low-risk security of a CD, and the tax advantages of an IRA. You're essentially locking in a guaranteed interest rate for a specific term, and all of those earnings are growing with either tax-deferred or tax-free benefits, depending on whether it's a traditional or Roth IRA. Patriot Bank offers a variety of terms for their IRA CDs, from short-term to long-term options. This flexibility allows you to choose a term that aligns with your specific retirement timeline. Whether you're planning to retire in a few years or a few decades, you can find a CD term that works for you. The interest rates are generally more competitive than a standard savings account, providing a reliable way to make your money work harder for you without the volatility of the stock market. One of the great things about an IRA CD is the predictability. You know exactly what your return will be at the end of the term. This makes them a fantastic option for a portion of your retirement portfolio, providing a stable foundation to build on. While there are penalties for early withdrawal, you can rest easy knowing your principal is safe and your interest rate is locked in. To open an IRA CD at Patriot Bank, you'll need to make an initial deposit, and the minimums can vary by term. It's also important to note that you can open both a traditional and a Roth IRA CD, each with its own tax benefits. A traditional IRA offers potential tax-deductible contributions, while a Roth IRA provides tax-free withdrawals in retirement. This lets you choose the option that best fits your financial situation. Patriot Bank makes the process simple, and you can get started by visiting one of their branches. If you're looking for a secure, predictable, and tax-advantaged way to save for your future, Patriot Bank's IRA CDs are definitely worth considering. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.